Hey everyone! Check out this super handy web app, a real-time character and word counter. Just type your text and instantly see how many characters and words you've got. Need to start over? Hit the reset button and go again. It's simple, clean, and super interactive, perfect for notes, writing, or any text where every word counts. Let's dive in. And that's it, the app is complete. Here's the finished version, fully functional and ready to use. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.